Caitlin Walker here with SGA Junior Vice President Brianna Lomax. Bree, why don't you tell us a little bit about some Spirit Week events this weekend?
Well, this weekend on Saturday the 9th, we will have a family carnival here at Woodmont High School. Come party with us that night at NRG Nightclub. Sunday, we will have a drive-in movie at Heritage Park. $5 admission per car.
Hi, I'm Amory Lawless, and I'm here with Javion Duncan, and this is the Wildcat Sports.
Come out tonight to support the Wildcats as we plan to defeat Hillcrest.
Congratulations to the Woodmont Wrestlers for defeating TL Hanna 48-30 and Westside 45-30.
It's not too late to try out for track. It is February 15th. If you're still interested, go to Coach the Champs for the girls, and for the boys, go to Coach Sable.
Thank you, and you've heard it here.
Peace.
Alright. Friday, February 1st, the Voices of Woodmont Advanced Choir attended Lander University to participate in their first competition of the year. They received an excellent rating. There will be 4 choirs attending future competitions to Myrtle Beach and Atlanta this year. Those honors choirs include Advanced Choir, Mixed Choir, Women's Ensemble, and Men's Ensemble. Judging by their first performance, it looks to be a very successful year. Go Voices of Woodmont.
Hello Wildcats, I'm Anna Landine, and these are the Wildcat Bytes for this week. Today will be the last day you will be able to purchase Valentine's Day flowers during your lunch. Single carnations are $2, and bouquets of 6 will be $10. Orders will be delivered 4th period on Valentine's Day. Also, do not forget to submit your love grams to WHS 18 during Spirit Week if you'd like them read on the show. Remember, scrolling shoutouts are $1 and verbal shoutouts are $2. Happy Valentine's Day, Wildcats!